because this is a half up, half down hairdo, the back, it doesn't really matter what the back looks like because it's going to be an afro. So this is how the back of my head looks like. We're going to do a pony, a high pony over here in the front. Actually, I'm lying. I think I want a bit more of like a cute, innocent look. So I'm going to make pigtails, 2 puff pony things. To sleek it down, I'm going to use this olive oil, ORS. ORS is the brand, and it's the olive oil edge control, and I got it from Clicks. You can get it from Discam as well. I typically only just put it around the base of my pony because I'm just trying to sleek down the hair over here, like by the edges. And I'm just going to repeat the steps on the other side. I'm not really one for like the super laid baby hairs, but why not? Why not, since we're trying to look cute? Baby hair. Baby hair. Oh yes! Baby hair! Okay. That's not really baby hair. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using the Bantu Natural Mawe clip-ins. The Mawe clip-ins are the 4A texture, which is like, it's a curly texture but still in afro form. So basically 4A hair. And to prepare the hair, I'm going to spritz it with a mixture of water and conditioner and a bit of oil just to revive the curl because I haven't used them in a while. They've been stored away, so just to wake up my curls. Okay, so now I'm done preparing my clip-ins. Now we can finally get started on the hairdo. So I'm going to take the longer pieces first and install them at the back all the way until halfway on my head. The 4-piece clip, and I like to install these longer ones first. I almost forgot the step. I'm just letting loose a bit of hair here at the back that I'm going to use to cover my clips. So now it's time to enhance my little buns over here, and I'm going to use the 2-piece clips for that. So I'm just going to clip it on around, twist it around the bun that I've already made with my own hair, then clip it on, and then just twist it until it forms a cute little bun. Like that, and then pin it. You can pin it or you can tie it down with an elastic or a hair tie. It's just a matter of preference. I prefer to pin it. Then repeat on the other side. I actually want my buns to be bigger, so I'm going to add more hair. I'm going to take my 1-piece clips and attach them. I don't know how I feel about hair extensions on children, but for a special occasion I might consider trying this kind of hairstyle on my daughter. Thanks so much for tuning in.